Welcome to the General Knowledge Questionnaire. Question number 1. Third largest city of Pakistan is Lahore, Karachi, Multan, Faisalabad. Faisalabad. Question number 2. Oldest city of Pakistan is Lahore, Peshawar, Karachi, Multan. Peshawar. Question number 3. Which city of Pakistan is famous for cutlery? Sargodha, Wazirabad, Gujranwala, Mianwali. Wazirabad. Question number 4. Cleanest city of Pakistan is Lahore, Faisalabad, Islamabad, Chitral. Islamabad. Question number 5. Peaceful city of Pakistan is Lahore, Chitral, Murree, Multan. Chitral. Question number 6. Which city of Pakistan is called Mini Lahore? Chitral, Okada, Pakpatan, Nawab Shah. Okada. Question number 7. Which two cities are called twin cities of Pakistan? Lahore and Multan, Lahore and Kusur, Islamabad and Rawalpindi, Lahore and Rawalpindi. Islamabad and Rawalpindi. Question number 8. Powerful city of Pakistan is Karachi, Faisalabad, Lahore, Peshawar. Karachi. Question number 9. Which city of Pakistan is called City of Lions? Mandi Bahauddin, Jacobabad, Larkana, Abbottabad. Mandi Bahauddin. Question number 10. City of Pakistan is famous for textile is Lahore, Faisalabad, Jacobabad, Attock. Faisalabad. Question number 11. Which city of Pakistan is called City of Flowers? Kohat, Chitral, Multan, Peshawar. Peshawar. Question number 12. Which city of Pakistan is called City of Saints? Kasur, Larkana, Multan, Vihadi. Multan. Question number 13. Which city of Pakistan is called Mini London? Mirpur, Sargodha, Jhelum, Attock. Mirpur. Question number 14. Which city of Pakistan is called City of Fruits? Mirpur, Quetta, Lahore, Abbottabad. Quetta. Question number 15. Which city of Pakistan is called City of Eagles? Gojra, Khanewal, Jhelum, Sargodha. Sargodha. Question number 16. City of Knowledge is Lahore, Khanewal, Jhelum, Sargodha. Lahore. Question number 17. Hottest city of Pakistan is Lahore, Khanewal, Jacobabad, Mirpur. Jacobabad. Question number 18. Smallest city of Pakistan is Lahore, Jhelum, Jacobabad, Karachi. Jhelum. Question number 19. Snowiest city of Pakistan is Abbottabad, Jhelum, Jacobabad, Chitral. Chitral. Question number 20. Which city of Pakistan is called Mini Switzerland? Islamabad, Jhelum, Swat, Chitral. Swat. Subscribe GK with RK.